Hello, how you doing? I have been watching some activity going on Blackboard and people asking me how to connect to the server, how to do the terminal session, what they need to do, and what if they had an error, what the error are or errors are. Now, based on the book, if you go to the book, we are using a program called Bounty or Beauty, whatever you name it, is Butty, uh, or Putty. This program will through connect our environment, Windows environment, to Linux or Unix environment based on the shell, on a command line base. Now, how you can download this program, you need to go to the web or online and download the program. Now, just to make sure that you have it and you don't have any problems with it or downloading a virus to your machine, what I did is by having the program on my personal website. So it's not John's College website, it's my website. If you come here, if you put my first name, last name, Ahmed Al Zaidi, you will log into my website, which is contains some information that I put and pictures that I put on your blackboards, and you know, just to have it on a side. So if you go, you will find with the learnings and videos, you will find the download link, and whenever you will go inside the article, you will find the direct link to download. So just click there, save it to your computer, and you are fine to go. Other This helpful page, it will give you a lot of information about the program, how you can use it. If you are using Mac, if you are using different type of Windows, you need to know which what you are using. So the page are there also. Now, you need to have an information like a code or a server name and this stuff. So I already posted on your Blackboard, and you may find it in Ask My Professor. So if you go there, you will find all information you need uh, about our server information. But what I will do over here quickly, I will write the name, and I will do some practice in front of you. So the server that we will connect to is that one, is dllinux.johns.edu. We are not using Unix, we are using Linux. And let me increase the font size. Okay, dllinux.johns.edu. This is the server that we will use in our practice, in our sessions. So first thing, we have the name. Second thing, we need to download the program. Now there are different type of programs that I use personally in my life to connect to my servers, but this is as a file transfer protocol. We'll use the SSH to transfer files, but we will not use it. This is a shell, which is also SSH secure shell, but as we go with the book, they are using Beauty, or Beauty. So the first thing you will go to is open the program. Now it will ask you for configuration. You will put the server name over here, the IP or host name, and the host name will be linux.johns.edu. Now you may save it for future login, so you don't need to go back again and put the information again. So you will load it. Now you select which you saved and you load it. Now I have the server over here, and I have the port that I will use. Now I will say open. Now the first time you will log in, it will ask you for yes and no and cancel. Press yes. So it will ask you for your login name. As in the book, the login name is your username. So you will put your login name. Now it will ask you for your password. So you just put your password that we send it to you, and you can now log into your computer or to your session. And the session just started for my session. Now, the first time you will use your password, which is open, please do change your password. How you will change? You will press or type pass WD and press return or press enter, and you will have your password options as in showing here in the book. It will ask you for your password, your new password. So you will write your old password, then you will write your new password, and then you will return your re-enter your new password. These rules are set, so you cannot use the same password or near from the same password. Also, don't use character names in the username. And we have a different rules also in terms of how we set the password and what is the rules that we need to use it. Okay? When you put your password, change it. Now you can play around and do your session. We can go ahead and type, for example, date to see what's going on, and it will say Friday, January 23rd, and the time and the year. Now, as in the book showing, we can put the command, which is the date. I just put date. I have option and argument with the command. I can play around, and now I can change in it. So what I will do, I will play with who. Okay, I will use who, and I will change in it. So what I will do, I will put who, and I can see that I'm just by myself, or this is me. I'm logging on, and then I will check who's in the server, and I will just put who, and it will give me who is in the server. And I'm not right. And I have just one user that's in the server right this moment. Okay. Now it gives me the information and all the command and the time that I'm in the server. Any question, please do email me. I do respond to your email as I go through your discussions and your information. When you complete your session, like go through, write who, and play with everything in the session. After you complete, don't forget to take a snapshot or a print screen to your port and put it on a document with your assignment and upload it, or send it to me by an email. I just want to make sure that you log in and you change your password and you had the ability to navigate through your session. Just remember, this is just the beginning. We will use a lot of work. We will do a lot of work on the sessions. So please practice just to start. Okay. Uh, if you need anything